Welcome to Mr. Dungle's channel. Today's June 30th, around 11:30 Eastern Standard Time and night time. Right now, we are going to be covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, AMP, Harmony One, and TEL coin. As always, this is not financial advice, and I do this for entertainment purposes only. I want to welcome you to July 2021. Make your monthly goals now. Pay yourself the 15th and the last day of July. Increase your overall coins. Add some BTC and ETH to your holdings, and let's get it. BTC right now currently trading around $34,000 and change. We do have a couple of formations that we'd like to discuss real quick. We have a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. So usually that signifies price decrease. If that were to play out, I believe that our first level of support would be 33,594. Then from there, we'd probably be looking at around 32,367. If we break that, then we're going down to around $30,000. And then obviously, ultimately, we could see that 28 test again, or even further if it breaks support. Do I necessarily think it's going to happen? No. Could I be wrong? Yes. Market sentiment is overall bullish. A lot of people are very bearish. So remember, when many people are bullish, you want to be bearish. When many people are bearish, you want to be bullish. And it plays on. Also, we can just come down to those previous points of support that I just mentioned and test them and maybe bounce back off of them. So Bitcoin, again, trading sideways. I mean, regardless, the markets overall have been looking very, very healthy. Change over to Ethereum. Ethereum, the same thing. Earlier today, we had a bigger rise as well. We continue to have a bit of a decrease. We tested 2277. And again, we've gone as high as 43.84. Is this going to be the next leg up for Ethereum? There's a high possibility. The probability of it happening are very, very high. However, I want you to exercise a lot of caution. I want you to be very careful again. None of this is financial advice, just my opinions. Why do I want you to be cautious? Because you should have a little BTC, you should have a little Ethereum, you should have your altcoins. I mean, you can even have one or two meme coins for, fun. But realistically, you need to be safe and playing it safe, saying, okay, am I okay? Now, this goes out to both the day traders and the people that are long-term holders. If you are a day trader, then you're probably just okay with whatever swing trading price is going up and down. You're very, very happy. If you're a long-term trader, you're more like, oh, okay, well, at this point, I kind of want to just see where it goes, see what happens, and, overall see the market health. As you see, we're dropping a bit now, which I think it could be a pretty reddish night, but, let's continue to see. I mean, it's just opportunities. Always want to have fiat on the side, especially, if you went over here, you should have taken profits around this area. Just market for you guys. I know a lot of people are visuals, but you could have taken profits around that area right here, just even as low as, $22.62, $50, $70 profit, and then, came back out, depending on what price you got in. Let's go ahead and cover one Harmony. Harmony One, again, we went to 675. And then we came down, we did it to 671, then we came 664, came down to 663. This candle started, formed, went all the way to around 64. We thought we were coming back up, ended up coming down even lower. So realistically, we're just going lower. What does it mean overall? I think I'm still overly bullish on the coin at hand with Harmony One. I still believe in its fundamentals. I still believe in its productivity, and I think it's going to go places. I think it'll be $1, sooner than later. I think VET, VTHL will perform amazingly as well. There's coins such as AMP, which we'll talk about real quick as well. We're at 569. This is a coin we did trade and Fortunately, some people were able to get out towards the top. Some people got in a little lower. So hopefully we can see, a 558. That'd be a great entry point to accumulate some more coins. Realistically, it'd be amazing to see a 5.3. I don't know how lucky we will be. AMP reminds me of like a District Ox DNT. If you remember me or if you follow me from back then you know what I'm talking about. District Ox, when we call it at 0.0378, it was a phenomenal coin, something that made a lot of people money. So realistically, I think AMP could probably 3 or 4x here in the coming months. And I have a lot of faith long term it can do a lot better than that. Last but not least is TEL coin. TEL coin is a coin that a lot of people on my team are trading. As you see today, it was very nice. People took money out of here, got back in around the 2.4, and were able to ride it close. So I don't think that anybody got out here. They probably got out around 3 even. So that would have been still a nice little gain. And then they're waiting for the step to get back in and repeat the cycle. I want you guys to always be safe and have your goals. Again, welcome to July 2021. Make your monthly goals. What do I mean by make your monthly goals? Just what do you want to do in the month of July? Do you want to reach X amount of coins? I want to reach this. I want to do this. I want to trade better. I want to, do something. Challenge yourself. Stop being on your phone so much. Go out for a walk. Sorry. We'll go out for a walk and, maybe you want to buy yourself a nice cologne. Maybe you want to buy yourself something nice. Well, you can do it at the end of the month, but during the first, which is now coming up here in just a little bit, you need to act right and you need to be able to make decisions that are going to fortify your long-term vision, your economical standpoint, and make you realize that overall, crypto has a large future and it's very, very important that you're still an early adopter. Even though there's mass adoption becoming, you see $6 billion NCR opens to Bitcoin purchases, that opens up banks and credit unions. Some are saying, Mexico bans crypto at banks after billionaire promotes Bitcoin. You have Rich Dad Poor Dad author, backs Bitcoin ahead of the biggest crash in history that's supposed to happen this year. You have some of the biggest hedge funds which are now trading and rumored to be trading. So if that's going to happen, you'll be able to see that on their reports. I'm not going to take too much time from you guys. As always, thank you guys. Take care. God bless. Jesus loves you. I love you. I'm out.